nowhere.
I'm cold. Come here, darling. We got hands. Where are we going? We will be there soon. Bye.
I was thinking of that meadow.
I know, but it just seems so much further than I remember.
I can't walk anymore.
Yes, you can. You can for Germany.
You don't care about Germany.
How can you say that? Your father is an officer, a major.
But I heard him say we're losing the war. Last night I heard him and it wasn't the first time. We can't
Your
lose.
father knows that now.
You misunderstood, son. In every war, you win and lose some battles. This is life. There is no doubt we will win this war.
That's right.
I think this part will do.
Come on, kids. Help mommy get the picnic out.
It's freezing here.
Take the blanket. Spread out the blanket. Come on. I love you both. I want the blanket. My blanket. Daddy? Do it now. Quickly. Now! Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler!
Adolf. Hitler. Hitler. Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler. Hitler. Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler. Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler. Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler!
יוונים נקבצו עליי, אזי בימי חשמנים, ופורצו חומות מגדלי, ותהינו כל השמנים.